A triangle you can spin. A clock with 3 hours. These are the same object.
Why?
A group is the mathematics of symmetry, of anything you can do and then undo. Conservation laws, crystal structures, error-correcting codes, the Rubik's Cube, all groups. Forget numbers. Start with actions. Here are the 3 ways to spin a triangle back onto itself. Do one, then another, and you always land on an action you already had. Nothing new escapes. One of them does nothing at all. That's your identity. And every action has a partner that cancels it. Spin forward, spin back, you're home. Chain 3 together and the parentheses don't matter. Only the order you do them in. Write down every combination, and here's the punchline. Adding on a 3-hour clock gives exactly the same table. Formally, a group is a set with an operation that stays inside the set, is associative, has an identity, and gives every element an inverse. For lines, that's the whole definition.
Do.
Undo.
Combine.
A group is a set of actions, not a set of things. 2 worlds are one group when their actions combine the same way.